In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude plugins step by step so you can quickly find, install, and start using the tools you need inside Claude. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little hidden in the settings menu. So I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Claude on the web or launch the desktop app. Once you're inside, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your name or your profile picture. This opens your account and app options. From there, click Settings. That will take you into Claude's main settings area, where you can adjust different preferences and manage features connected to your account. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the settings window and click Plugins. This is where Claude keeps the available plugin options. Once you're on the Plugins page, click Browse. Claude will now show you the list of plugins that are available for installation. Take a moment to look through the list and find the plugin you want to add. When you spot the one you need, click the plus icon next to it. That tells Claude to install that plugin into your account. After that, the plugin should be installed automatically and ready to use right away. In most cases, there's no extra setup required, which makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. You can now go back to your chat and start using the plugin as needed. So to quickly recap, open Claude Web or Desktop, click your profile from the bottom left, go into Settings, select Plugins from the left menu, click Browse, and then click the plus button next to the plugin you want. That's it. You've now installed a Claude plugin and you're ready to make the most of it. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.